Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys. I finally got my February box. It came a little bit late this month and I'm not quite sure why. Normally my BoxyCharm box comes anywhere around the 7th or 10th of the month, but for some reason this month it came even later. I just got it on yesterday. But I wanted to come to you guys and do an unboxing. For this video I'm not going to be doing any type of demonstration because in this month's box we did not get an eyeshadow palette or anything like that. We did get some other really good products, and I'll be using those products in some future videos, and I'll be sure to point them out as I use them. But this video is just going to be an unboxing. It'll give you guys a chance to see what I got in my box. So let's just jump right into it. So the theme for this month's box is Afterglow, and I got variation 3. If you guys aren't familiar with what the variation numbers are or what that means, it's on your little info card. There'll be a little bitty heart and a little number, and that is your variation number. And that variation number determines which products are going to be included in your particular box. So I got variation 3, and I'm excited about all the products in this box, but I really was hoping that I would get variation 2, because I think in variation 2 you would get a large size of the Sol Janeiro, I think it's how it's pronounced. It's the Brazilian Copacabana cream, and I was hoping for that one because I really wanted to try that out. I've picked up the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This is a small sample size that I picked up from Sephora, but I was really hoping and had my fingers crossed that I would get variation 2 in this month's BoxyCharm box. But if it's anything like this one, I'm sure that it's like super awesome, and it smells really good, and it's a great moisturizer. But anyway, I digress. I didn't get that variation, so no need to keep going down that path. But what I did get in variation 3 is I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now I already have, let's see if I can find it here. I already have one of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascaras. The one that I have is the waterproof one, and it looks like this. It's green type of package, or green packaging for this mascara. This is the waterproof version, but in this month's BoxyCharm box you got just the regular Better Than Sex mascara. And again, I have tried the Better Than Sex mascara, and the thing that I find a bit challenging with this mascara is the fact that the wand is so big, and I have smaller lashes, so I prefer that my mascara wand be a much smaller one so that I can really get into, you know, those tight places and be able to get to my bottom lash line, or my bottom lashes, my little bitty teeny tiny bottom lashes. I want to be able to get to those. So since this came in my box, I will probably give it another shot. But yeah, that came in the February BoxyCharm box. The next item is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Shimmering Swan highlighter, and I am really loving, or have fallen in love with Pretty Vulgar. The packaging, their packaging is always so cute. Look at that. It's so cute, it's so feminine, it's so dainty, and it really looks good on your vanity. So this is a highlighter, and it's in the color Sparkling Sass. So I'll be really excited to use this in a look here real soon, and as I said, I'll be certain to let you guys know that it is one of my BoxyCharm items. So I'm super excited to have this. This is a primer from Touch in Sol, and it's called the No Problem Primer. So I'm really excited about using this. I'm always on the hunt or open to trying new primers. So I've heard really good reviews about this primer, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. And the next item is from Pharmacy, and it's their Clean Bee Gentle Facial Cleanser, the Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So this is what this product looks like. So I'll be excited to try this one out as well. Let's see, what does it say about this cleanser? What makes this cleanser all of that? Soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oils, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formatted with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, canola, aloe, and licorice root. So yeah, I am really excited to try this out. And the next item is from Trestique. And this is their Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. And this looks pretty interesting. It says primer inside. So let's see, how does this work? Okay, so this is the actual lip crayon itself. So you can see that there. And feels really creamy and soft, so it's a pretty color. Very pretty color. And then, oh, that's magnetic. This is magnetic, so it seems like it just kind of pops right back in place. That's pretty cool. And then there's a little primer on the other end. Okay, that's pretty cool. A little primer there. So I guess you would use this end to prime your lips first and then move on to using the crayon. So pretty cool. Look at this little packaging. That makeup brands are really just doing something with packaging these days. Look at that. That is so cute. It looks like a little crayon. Very cute. So anyway, those are all the items that came in my BoxyCharm box this month. So again, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It's a subscription where you will receive anywhere from 3 to 6 full-size makeup items in your monthly box. I will leave a link below if you'd like to sign up and start getting your own BoxyCharm box, or you can go to boxycharm.com, that's www.boxycharm.com, and sign up there and you can start receiving your own box. I really love BoxyCharm, you guys, because I think it is an awesome way to build up your makeup collection and also to try new things. You know, sometimes when it comes to makeup, we continue to use the same things over and over again. And that's okay. If it works, it works. But at the same time, there's a lot of different products that are out there for us these days. So we might as well use the opportunity to explore other options, try out some new things, and maybe switch up some of the items that we're currently using in our daily makeup routine. You know, improvement and change is not a bad thing. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.